In the heart of Italy, where speed is worshipped and engines roar like thunder, a rebellion was brewing. Ferruccio Lamborghini, a brilliant tractor manufacturer, was dissatisfied with his Ferrari. Driven by ambition and a desire to prove he could do better, he founded Automobili Lamborghini in 1963. His first masterpiece, the Lamborghini 350 GT, was a luxurious and powerful machine that sent shockwaves through the automotive world. But Ferruccio wasn't here to play it safe. In the 1970s, Lamborghini redefined the supercar with the revolutionary Countach, a futuristic beast with sharp angles and iconic scissor doors. This bold spirit continued with the Diablo, a fire-breathing VC-12 monster that dominated the 90s. Then came the Murcielago and the Aventador, pushing the limits of performance and design, each roaring louder than the last. And now the legend evolves with the Lamborghini Revuelto, a groundbreaking hybrid supercar that fuses electric innovation with the raw power of a V12 engine. From humble tractors to the pinnacle of automotive excellence, Lamborghini isn't just a car, it's a symbol of defiance, passion, and relentless speed.